Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to make a project called Photo Search. In case you are wondering about the sound decoder I talked about, I will find out a way to make it and will post you a video on how to make it later. So let's start because the Photo Search project is very big. Now let's begin. So here we are on our Scratch homepage and a new notice has been come. The Scratch privacy policy has been updated. So I request you to check it out by the link given here. And now let's go to our stuff and then view our project. Now here we are on our photo search project. Let's see, first read the instructions. We have to search from the names and get their photos. But first we have to create an account by clicking on the create account button. Does not need a password. Then we have to sign in again, giving the account name. This is the list of names you can use to search. And troubleshooting messages are error 1 is not logged in. So not logged in means if you haven't logged in your created account or you are not logged in into your Scratch account, which is present over here, you have to log into that and then you have to log into this one and then only the photo search will work. I recommend remixing if you want to use it without making an account there. Now the error 2 is not found photo. When you don't find the photo, when the photo search does not find the photo, you don't see the photo. And now error 3, newly found. The Scratch word may not work when put in the search box. So this is a glitch, but it has been resolved. So let's check out what we can do. Here we go. Photo search ID name. I do not have an ID name, but let's just say Aditi. The create account button is here. Now we click on create account. So after some time, this message appears. What's your name? Photo search ID name, which we want. So the photo search ID name will be, I will keep it PS, which means photo search 119. Now we will click here and now we have to sign in with the account name PS119. As you might know, as we read the instructions, that even if it does not require a password, because many times scratchers forget their password, so I made their username their password because usernames cannot change and everybody has their own unique username. So if I sign into another account of mine and then try with the same username in the photo search, then it will not work. Now let's go on with the testing. We click here to search. So we will first use we will first word rainbow. Rainbow, we put R. We put the rainbow word and now the rainbow image, which is a bit blurry, appears. But it does appear. And now let's go see inside to see how it works. In this video, we are going to understand how the create account button works. Now let's see how many codes are there. This is a very simple button to sprite which we used from the Scratch editors library. Now let's just see how it works. When this sprite is clicked, we have used the event block broadcast this message one. Somewhere in the project there will be a when I receive message one block. See this. There is also when I receive message one here also. And when the sprite is clicked, which is now hidden, then the account creation dialog will appear. So when it receives message one, it hides itself. Now in this code we have used the forever loop. Forever if the logged in variable, which is set by another sprite in this project, in this project. Logged in is 1, then it has to hide, because that means the person is logged in. Now we are going to know how the backdrop works. In the next video, we will see all the costumes and the search button and other things in the project. So let's go to the backdrops codes. So there are 4 scripts in total. Now let's zoom in. This is actually a very impressive but very simple project, and we can cover this very quickly, especially the stage part. Now let's see. When I receive sign in. Okay, so sign in is a message. These 3 are the messages. So in this, the sign in message is used. It asks the photo search ID name, which already is an existing account. Now ID here is a list which has so many IDs. Photo test PS 11911 no named. So these are the 4 accounts, and the ID passwords are the usernames by which the account was made. So ID password consists of the username. So you don't need to remember your password because it already has detected your username. If you are signing out, as I mentioned before, if you have signed out, then this project will not work. So as I mentioned before, in the button 2 block, the block is there if logged in is 1. And now let's see who sets the logged in variable to 1 here. So the state sets the logged in variable to 1. So there are the 2 if blocks for the sign in. Now if the search is there, if the search is clicked, then the search up message is broadcasted. And if the logged in is 1, which means if the person is logged in, then only it will ask the it will ask the it will ask the question of like searching a photo. It waits for a second. To speed it up, we must remove the wait 1 second block, but that would make it glitchier. But let's see, because many scratchers don't want to wait as much as I do. And now let's see what happens else, which is sorry, we could not find your search, or you are not logged in. So these are the info backdrops: backdrop 1, backdrop 2, backdrop 3, which we will see in the next video. So please check out the next video. Now let's move on to this script, which is when clicked, it sets the login variable automatically to 0 and never removes all the ID or ID password list 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 items, because the ID and ID password have to be saved. Now let's see, it broadcasts sign in. Okay, so yes, the stage only broadcasts the sign in message, but just in case if some other sprite has broadcasted this message, then also the script will be run. Now let's see when I receive message one. This is the main part which helps the user create an account and then again broadcaster sign in. So a user can have multiple photo search accounts, and I can detect who is using the accounts. Yes. So everyone, that is all for now. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. And we are going, please check it out, because we are going to discover how the search button works. Please check it out afterwards, and please check out my previous video in which I made an impressive project called recorder sound record. It records the sound. So please check it out how I made it. And thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.